Parasites or diseases affecting pigs and how to treat them or even prevent them. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dream Farm family. This is Colette, the happy farmer. If this is your first time watching my video, please like, comment and share. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. If you are watching on TikTok as well, please follow the page for more updates. So like I said earlier, we'll be targeting some diseases or parasites that are affecting pigs and possible treatments. So there are two types, that is the internal and the external parasites that are affecting pigs. So the internal parasites are the things that are affecting the pigs from the inside, that is diseases or parasites affecting pigs internally, while the external parasites are the things affecting the pig on the skin of the pig, that is externally. So let's begin with the external. Let's go with the external diseases, external parasites affecting the pigs. So with the external, there are a couple of parasites or diseases affecting the pigs on the skin. So the first one, let's take the lice or the ticks. And as you all know, lice, they feed solely on blood. So when lice affect your farm, it is going to concentrate on sucking the blood away from your pigs, making you to feed the pigs even more, and you see nothing at the end because the weight will keep on reducing. So be careful. And this lice thing is caused by most of the times it is caused by deaths. Yes, when the pens are dirty. So what is a possible treatment for lice? You can give ivermectin and penicillin streptomycin, that is the pen strip. These are the two medications that you can administer to the pigs. And the dosage, if they are piglets, you can administer 0.5 ml. And if they are mature pigs, you can give from 1 to 2.5 depending on the age and the size of the pig, the weight of the pig. Yes, let's move on to the next kind of disease that can affect the pig on the skin. We have the mange, or is it mange? I don't know. Yes, with the mange, there are tiny organisms that affect the pig, and they are caused by mites. So when they perch on the skin of the pig, they inject this disease called mange on the pigs. And how do you know if it is a mange that is affecting the pig? You see there are signs. You see some small reddish rashes on the ears. It begins like from the legs, the ears, on the entire head of the pig to the face and right down, and then after it affects the entire body of the pig. So that one, it is called mange. Like I said, it is caused by mites. Okay, so what is a possible treatment too for the mange? The same treatment you get for the lice, you can also give for mange. I hope I'm making sense. So let's move on to the third one. The third one is called erysipelas. And this erysipelas is most often mistaken for African swine fever. Why? Because they have similar symptoms. The symptoms when your pig is having erysipelas is they are going to lose appetite, they will be having high fever and sleeping around. So be careful. This erysipelas is also known as diamond skin disease because it affects the pig, and what is on the skin of the pig is in the shape of a diamond. So when you start seeing these things affecting your pigs, you just know what to do. So the possible treatment for erysipelas is, first you administer your ivermectin, you move on to your antibiotics, that is a pen strip. You move now to giving them multivitamins and iron. multivitamins to boost their appetite, and iron for their immune system, to boost their immune system. This another thing with these erysipelas, it ranges from reds, pinkish, purple, right down to black. And mind you, once this color turn to black, the pig might die. So be very careful and watchful. Watch how your animals behave. Move from pen to pen and inspect the animals. If you are not the one, tell the farmhand to always make sure that you follow the pigs keenly every day, to make sure that if any disease affect the pigs, they will be able to treat them on time. So all these diseases, at the end of the day, they cause serious weight loss. And as you know, when your pigs start losing weight, it is going to cost you a lot, because you feed and before they even regain back the weight. So be careful. So let's move now to the internal parasites or internal disease affecting pigs. The internal diseases will just rush over. Like we have the E. coli, the roundworms, the respiratory tract diseases, and others. So let me just talk more on the worms. With the worms can cause your pig to stool or to have diarrhea. So yes, and when your pigs have diarrhea, it is not a good thing, especially for piglets. It can even kill your piglets. So be careful when your pigs have diarrhea. It causes drastic weight loss also. So the treatment for this diarrhea, you can give the pigs there is what we call a levamisole. Levamisole. You can administer levamisole to the pigs. It treats only internal parasites. Yes, it treats the parasite internally, while we have ivermectin. Ivermectin treats both internal and external parasites. Yes. So for me, if you are not able to administer the levamisole, you can use your ivermectin to treat both the internal and the external. You see now. So but if you are using the levamisole, it is administered intramuscularly, while for the ivermectin, it is subcutaneously. So don't mix the two. And if you are giving the levamisole, give only the levamisole and allow the ivermectin. I hope I am clear. So there is also what we call coughing. That is the respiratory tract disease. You can give them tylosin. And the dosage also ranges from 0.5, just depend on the weight. Like I said, always try to read the leaflet so that it will direct you on how to administer the drugs. Or whenever you need any help, I'm always here. You can ask, and I am ready to answer. Okay, all right. So how can we prevent these diseases or parasites from affecting the farm? First, keep the pens clean, the farm clean. Endeavor to wash the feeders before you feed the pigs, and where they lie, where they sleep, always clean them. Clean the pens with disinfectants. Yes, you can use caustic soda. So people use caustic soda, and some people just use normal detergents. Use disinfectant to always disinfect the pens to avoid all these diseases. And if you have these diseases, you instead see that you'll be spending more. It is expensive to treat the diseases than to prevent them. Yes, it is that simple. So thank you very much. If you watch up to this point, I am grateful. Thank you so much, and I don't take it for granted. I see the page booming every day, and I just want to say a big thank you to all the followers of Dream Farm. Thank you so much. While I am growing, let all of us be growing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.